In Indonesia, there is a pressing problem regarding the mental health. Let me ask you a question. When you have a problem with your physical, what are you going to do? Most likely, you will go to the doctor, you check to the hospital, to the clinic. But what will happen if you have a problem with your psychological or mental? Most of the people unsure where they need to go. Well, this is ironic because out there, on the other hand, there are a lot of mental health professionals that are struggling to tap into the audience, to the market. Okay, good afternoon. My name is Arnold. I'm from Indonesia. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and co-founder of Tabula. We are an online platform ecosystem for wellness, mental health, and self-development. We aim to solve the inequality of access to mental health and wellness solution in Indonesia. We are here looking for $150,000 for 20% equity share to help us expedite and scale up our business to help Indonesians for a better and healthier. In Indonesia, there is a pressing problem regarding the mental health. Let me ask you a question. When you have a problem with your physical, what are you going to do? Most likely, you will go to the doctor, you check to the hospital, to the clinic. But what will happen if you have a problem with your psychological or mental? Most of the people unsure where they need to go. Well, this is ironic because out there, on the other hand, there are a lot of mental health professionals that are struggling to tap into the audience, to the market. So we are here to bridging the gap within the supply and the demand side by providing the whole spectrum of the promotive, preventive, and curative treatment, ranging from the course, classes, consultation, counseling, even community services like social support group. You can say we aim to become a Tokopedia or Gojek for mental health, a one-stop solution end-to-end for mental health services. We are starting in February 2021, and we serve more than 20,000 users across Indonesia. Well, in fact, 30% of our users are outside Java. This is aligned with our mission to make a more accessible solution for mental health in Indonesia. We aim to acquire a 250,000 users in 2024 and 1.4 million users in 2027. Our projected revenue are $200,000 for 2022 and $400,000 for 2023. This is our team with a wide array of specialties and expertise, ranging from clinical psychologists, social intervention, educational, and IT. We collaborate with more than 50 individual community organizations in Indonesia, and we are more than happy to also collaborate with all of you participants to make a healthier and better Indonesia, because we believe collaboration is the next competition. Thank you.
Could you go back to your one slide before, just previous slide? Yeah, just hold it there. So interestingly, I wrote a book on midlife crisis, and he described the problem he's solving as quarter life crisis. So that's very interesting. Any questions from the jury panel here? Anybody on Zoom?
Hi, I have a question. What portion of the business is currently tech, and do you have an app, Android or iOS?
We currently have Android and iOS apps. Currently, we're serving online classes and courses so people can learn more about like how to handle stress, how to manage their problem, anxiety, and so on. And we already deploy the consultation and counseling services.
And one follow-on question. How many downloads have you seen, and what is the monthly active usage of the application today?
Okay, the app is released on August, and currently we have 5,000 downloads with MAU around 1.8 thousand.
Got it. Thank you.
Hi, Arnold. This is Akash here. Just wanted to ask about your business model, where you have described that this app is purely for mental health, and then you're also talking about Tokopedia and all. So what is the business model which is leading from mental health to multiple medical service providing?
I'm sorry, could you
So
please?
the question is actually, what is the business model, if you were to compare it to Tokopedia? If you could just explain what is your business model, how it compares to Tokopedia.
Okay, we have a B2B and B2C. We have a B2B business. We serve like a corporate wellness program. We give them a employee assistance program, but we also have do the online courses. We provide the one-on-one consultation, counseling, and our next step is providing like a marketplace for the wellness solution.
Do you only aggregate or do you provide the solution, or do you both? Do you do both?
We do both. We have in-house psychologists. I myself are a licensed psychologist, but we also partner with other, because wellness is a very broad area, you know, like financial, spiritual, social, and so on. So we have in-house, but we also collaborate with other provider.
I
I've
have
got a
one.
question.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just wanted to understand the business model. So we are speaking of a consultation that could be in video for a person who is suffering from mental issues. And also we are speaking of value add services wherein you are speaking of training and courses for the masses. That means you're one, aggregating the professionals within the group of mental health, plus you're offering these programs to corporates under value add services as wellness programs. And there is a third category that is training, or third category that are courses. Is my understanding right? Or
Yes, correct. Because in mental health and wellness, there's a whole spectrum ranging from the promotive, preventive, and curative. So on the promotive side, we provide the courses, like we collaborate with the provider or even our in-house psychologists to create lessons, you know, like make a webinar, classes, or talks. But on the other end of spectrum, we also provide it, like if they need a one-on-one consultation, one-on-one counseling, like that. In the B2B, we deal with the corporate. So the corporate is paid for their employees, but we also provide it for the mass audience, for the B2C, so people can also use our classes, courses, or even our consultation services.
so are you charging per session, or are you charging, let's say, a bulk rate in terms of, okay, 1 month program or 30-day program, or are you saying that I will charge you per hour?
We do both actually, because for the classes or course, we are subscription-based model, so they can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. But also, if more in-depth courses, like they can do charge for each course, and for consultation, we do for each session.
And how competitive are your rates with your competitors?
Well, we meet with a lot of VCs, and based on our understanding, the market for mental health in Indonesia are still I think it's quite a blue ocean, because even the biggest player in the market currently is also still struggling to validate the market.
Okay.
So how are you differentiating your services then, if your biggest player is struggling?
Okay, our biggest player in Indonesia is Relief, if I might say, and they still. I think what our competitive is, we provide a wider spectrum of wellness, because currently Relief only providing like psychologists and also meditation. Well, when you're talking about wellness, we provide a range from like nutrition. We could provide like physical exercise. We provide also like emotional and spiritual and financial wellness as well.
Okay, I'm going to pause
Thank
it
you.
there. I think you asked for $150,000 for 20%, right?
Correct.
And for those of us who are in this field, we know that 2022 is supposed to be the year of mental health challenges in the world. Any interest to speak to this entrepreneur further? To have any conversations with him further? Manoj will have a conversation with you offline later.
Nalin, we will like to have a conversation with Arnold.
Addison as well. So these two people will fix meetings for you. Thank you very much. All the very best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Halo, saya Arnold dari Tabula. Thank you untuk IFF. Kami belajar banyak banget. Kami dapat masukan, dapat input, dapat pengalaman sangat berharga. This is our first offline pitching, so it's very challenging, but it's also a very good experience. Thank you very much. Hope we can get the investment. Thank you.